Hello, beautiful. Welcome to my channel. And today's video, we're going to make our movement that is going to help you to be more euphoric in a sense where I'm going to be doing like the circles and the undulations and all these movements that makes you want to just ignite. So come and join me. Deep breath in, expand your chest, open up your lungs, breathe out, do that again. Deep breath in. Hold your arms up, breathe out, and let the arms just kind of sit on the shoulder blade. Good. Bring your arms down. Nice and slow. All right. Let's do that again, but this time we're just going to open right here. Let's open up here. And as you do that, I want you to kind of find your proper posture, meaning that I want you to be in good balance. So you're going to expand here, breathe in. Notice you kind of go a little bit more to the front. You're kind of going on the arch of your feet. Then I want you to hold it here. Okay, but not the breath, just this nice stance. Okay, let's do that again. Hold that posture. Relax. Okay, so again, now I want you to be like this. I want you to really open up from here. Okay, don't hold the breath. Now I want you to kind of release the knees. Don't lock the knees too much and just kind of relax the pelvic area. Okay, and I want you to smile. The more this is relaxed, the jaw is not tense, the looser this is going to be. So smile, or put your thumb behind on top of your feet. Okay, so let's start with this slide, small slides. And now we're going to start doing a clockwise circle. So let's go left, front, right, back. And now we're going to do a half circle here to the front, and now switch the other way. So we're going to be focusing on a lot of the figure eights, circles, and undulation. It opens up your core and your spine. And your spine is where all your nerves are coming from. So we're going to ignite those nerves, and we're going to make them euphoric. Ready? So we're going to do a circle to the clockwise to the right, one full circle, and then we're going to do a half. Let's do a one full circle to the left, and then a half circle, and that's all we're doing. It's a one full circle and a half circle. So you're basically going twice to the front, once in the back. Front, left, back, right, front, hold, left, front, right, back, left, front, hold, right. Keep going. Again, one full circle, half circle, and hold. One full circle, half circle, and hold. One more. Now here, I'm going to start doing some Maya. So your weight is on your left, on your right, my left. And then you're going to open up to the other side. So you're going to start doing up and reverse vertical figure eight. Good. So let's put this together. We're going to do 1.5 circle and then 4 loops or 2 Mayas. You ready? So let's go to the right, one full circle, half circle you hold. The weight is on your right. Now let's go left, right, left, right. Okay, and now we're going to do a 1.5 circle to the left. Now the weight is on your left. Now we're going to go right, left, right, left. 1.5 circle. And now now Maya left, right, left, right. Circle to the left. Hold, and Maya. Right, left, right, left. Circle to the right. Maya left. Circle left. 1, 3, hold, 4. Maya right, left, right, left. Circle right. So we're kind of making infinite loops non-stop. Horizontal and now vertical. Keep going. Circle to the left. Maya right. Circle to the right. Maya left. Now hold here. Good. So now we're going to do a camel, but it's going to go forward and back. So when you go back, so again, it's like review all your circles. This is really a good practice to review circles if you have a hard time. But it's just a kind of sagittal circle forward and back. If you had 2 pencils, you'd be drawing kind of a, not an egg shape, but a circle, more oval circle this way. Forward and bring it back. Forward and back. Soften your knees when you go back. And it's kind of straight leg, soft knee, straight leg, soft knee. A little tuck, working the lower abdominals, and release. Contract, release. So this is a forward circle. And now we're going to reverse. So we're going to kind of go tuck first and then go up and over and back. So reverse camel. Tuck, go forward and release. Contract here and then we go forward, release. Contract and release. So let's do 2 camel going forward. So go forward. 1, 2. Now hold it here. Release. And now we're gonna reverse twice. 1, 2. And now forward. Forward. Hold it here. Release and reverse. Hold. So you always want to finish your circle before you go to the other one. So finish your circle and now reverse. Relax your jaw, breathe into this, enjoy these circles, reverse. Now I'm going to add a body wave. So basically it's just a full undulation of your spine. So again, we're going to just lift the chest and kind of go towards the front. So you're like a puppet here pulling you forward and then lift up and kind of just roll down. Notice that your pelvic is already in the front and all you're going to do is come back, contract here and release. So you're going to open up to to the heavens and kind of just drop, start the contraction here, and then here, and then release. Lift. And it's like if you have a corset, you're gonna tighten your belly here, and then just let it go. Lift, and you're kind of rolling down. Notice your spine. Spine is up, and then you're kind of rolling down the spine, one vertebrae at a time. And again, these are all explained in our breakdowns. So we're just doing beautiful body waves. Lift and roll down to your pelvic floor. Lift, roll down. Lift, roll down. Your undulation. And it's a very kind of smooth rocking motion too. It's up, down, or like up, forward, back, down. So we're going to put this all together. We're going to do our undulation, our camels. We're going to go and do our mayas, and then our circles. You ready? So we're going to go to your right corner. Let's do your right corner first. So you're going to bring kind of your left foot a little bit to the front if you want to. And let's put this little routine together and feel the ecstasy of it. So let's bring it up. Roll down, and then here, camel, forward, back. You do two of them, and then hold it here, and we'll do one reverse. And then from here, I want you to start with your right Maya, go up and over. We'll do 4 of them, so this is your second, and your last one right here, okay? So now the weight is on your left. We're going to do a right circle. We're going to go forward, back, forward, and hold. Now the weight is on your right foot. You're going to face this wall and do the same thing. A full body wave. 2 camels forward. And then hold it here. We're going to go reverse. And now left, Maya, up and over, up and over, up and over, up and over. So now your weight is on your right. We're going to go left, circle, half circle, and hold. Undulate, lift, roll down. Camel, forward and back, hold, and then you go reverse into a Maya. Right, left, circle to the right, one full circle. Half circle, hold it right here and start over to your left side. Left, right, circle left, half circle to the right corner. Undulate, camel, and reverse. Maya, right, left, circle to the right, half circle, and undulate. Camel, reverse, Maya, and circle. Now hold it here. If this is like this, you're actually restricting the movement. So really, again, breathe from here. Just a reminder. Open up from here. Don't hold your breath, but just keep this long. And so you got more space to move here. Okay? So let's do that again. Undulate. 1, 2. Camel. 2 camel. And then 1 reverse. Ooh! And then Maya. All right. Left. And circle to the right. Feel everything from the lower back to the whole spine circle just really opening up. I feel like a fountain just kind of being released. Oh, okay, I did one more circle, so undulate. Camel. Feels so good. Reverse. Maya. Circle. Undulate. Camel. reverse, and Maya, and circle, undulate, camel, reverse, and Maya, circle, undulate, camel, reverse, Maya, circle to the left, start over, circle to the right, to the left, Maya, to the right, and start over. That was good. I didn't think we would, I could keep going because I feel so good. So enjoy this practice, and anytime you feel a little bit low, I think this is just a great, doing these circles and undulations just kind of really does help you to kind of ignite that spark that you need to kind of maybe start your day or your weekend. All right. Love you all.